Hey everyone, today I want to talk about my experience with Focusee because honestly, it's completely transformed how I create tutorial videos for this channel. I've been using OBS for recording, then jumping into Premiere Pro or CapCut for editing, and it's been eating up so much time. But after testing Focusee for the past few days, I'm genuinely excited to share what I've discovered. This is going to be a real, honest review, not some overly polished commercial. I'll show you exactly what I love about it, compare it to the tools I've been using, and yeah, I'll also mention where it falls short. Let's get into it. Alright, so let me paint a picture of what my workflow used to look like. I've recorded my screen with OBS, which is a fantastic free tool, don't get me wrong. OBS is literally the best tool for recording. You can do basically anything with it. But here's the thing. It just records. You get a raw video file and that's it. This is what I've got. Just a freaking boring 6-minute raw recording without anything. You have to do something with it. This is when editing tools step in. Then I'd import it into Premiere Pro or sometimes CapCut if I wanted something quicker. And then I'd spend the next 2 to 3 hours doing all the manual work. Adding zoom-ins whenever I wanted to highlight something important, keyframing cursor highlights so people can actually see where I'm clicking, cutting out all those awkward pauses, and adding transitions between different sections, maybe throwing in some background music, generating captions manually or using auto caption features that needed a ton of correction. Like, look at this timeline from one of my previous videos. See all these cuts and keyframes? How tired it was. For a 10-minute final video, I'm easily spending 5 or 6 hours in post-production. That's insane. And honestly, it was burning me out. I love making content and teaching people about AI tools, but I don't love spending all my time editing, honestly. So that's when I came across Focusee. I kept seeing people mention it as a screen studio alternative, which is another popular auto-editing screen recorder, though it's Mac only. This one is available on both platforms, by the way. The tagline is, turn screen recordings into eye-catching videos automatically. And I was skeptical at first because, every tool claims to be revolutionary. After I downloaded it, here's what it looks like. The interface is way simpler than Premiere Pro or even CapCut. It's not overwhelming. You've got your recording options, some AI settings, and that's pretty much it. Let's do some actions to run into the recordings. I recorded a 6-minute tutorial about another AI tool, hit stop, and then Focusee just started doing its thing. After finishing, it took maybe 2 minutes to process, and I was genuinely shocked. The video had automatic zoom-ins following my cursor, smooth transitions, my cursor was highlighted, and it just looked professional. I barely had to edit anything. Insane, right? All I have to do left is just insert my intro or something that would identify myself. Total time from hitting a record to having a final video, about 30 minutes. My old workflow, 8 hours. That's when I realized, okay, this is legit. Let me break down how Focusee compares to OBS, Premiere Pro, and CapCut, because each of these tools serves different purposes, and I think it's important to be real about the pros and cons. OBS is my go-to for recording, or it was. Here's the comparison. For OBS, free, super customizable with scenes, sources, plugins, great for live streaming. You have total control over everything. And Focusee records and edits automatically. Automatic zoom effects that follow your actions, built-in cursor highlighting, smoother, more polished output right away. Way faster overall workflow. Look at this. Here's the same screen recording. The left side is what OBS gives me, just raw footage. On the right side is what Focusee produces automatically. The difference is night and day. If you're live streaming or need super advanced recording setups, stick with OBS. But for tutorial content, Focusee wins hands down in terms of speed and ease. Now, Premiere Pro is obviously the industry standard for professional video editing. Let's be honest about this comparison. What Premiere Pro does better: professional-grade color correction and effects, frame-by-frame precision editing, advanced audio mixing. You can do literally anything if you have the skills. Now we come to Focusee. You don't need any editing skills. automatic zoom and cursor tracking 10 times faster for tutorial style content. No learning curve, way more affordable. Here's the thing, Premiere Pro is powerful, but it's overkill for most tutorial videos. It's like using a Formula 1 car to drive to the grocery store. Sure, it can do it, but do you really need that? Moreover, the crash. Premiere Pro flares up my computer like it's trying to compete with Chrome in a RAM hogging competition. Here we go. For my YouTube tutorials, I honestly don't need 90% of what Premiere offers. I just need clean recordings with good zoom effects, smooth transitions, and clear captions. Focusee gives me exactly that without the complexity. That said, for my more cinematic content or videos with lots of B-roll, I still use Premiere. But for straightforward screen tutorials, Focusee all the way. Pretty sure that will be the end of comparison right now, because other tools still have the same results that would be a waste of time. Alright, here is the conclusion. For live streaming or complex recording setups, OBS. For professional film cinema editing, Premiere Pro. For social media content, any tools? Screen tutorials and product demos, Focusee the MVP. Each tool has its place. Focusee just happens to be the perfect fit for what I do most often on this channel. Okay, let me show you the specific features that are outstanding. Or maybe this will be the conclusion for the tool on this video too. 1. Automatic zoom in. This is the killer feature. As I'm recording, Focusee's AI watches where I'm clicking and automatically adds dynamic zoom effects. See how it zooms in when I click something important, then zooms out to show the full context? In Premiere Pro, each of these zooms would be like 5 to 10 minutes of keyframing. Here, automatic. 2. Simultaneous recording. I can record my screen, webcam, and voiceover all at once. The picture-in-picture webcam can be positioned and styled however I want. 3. Layout and design customization. This is where Focusee surprised me. I can add filters, custom backgrounds, frames around my recording, shadows, padding. It actually looks really polished. I especially love the background options. Instead of my recording just floating on black, I can add gradients or colors that match my brand. 4. Auto caption accuracy. The auto caption feature is genuinely impressive. It's not perfect, but it's like 95% accurate for my voice, which is way better than most auto caption tools I've used. And I can edit them right in the app if there are mistakes. Plus, it supports multiple languages like English or Spanish, French, German, Japanese. 5. Export flexibility. I can export as MP4 for YouTube or even as GIF for quick demos. There's also cloud sharing where I can instantly generate a shareable link. Well, basically anything you can do within Premiere, but Focusee does the tasks for you. But every tool has its pros and cons. Let's get short. What could be better? 1. Can't record the starting interface. You have to open the editing interface first before recording. If you want to show the very beginning of launching Focusee, you'd need another tool. Not a deal breaker, but worth noting. 2. Less flexibility than traditional editors. If you want super specific frame-by-frame control, you won't get that here. The simplified timeline is great for speed, but limiting for complex edits. 3. Best for specific content types. It's designed for screen tutorials and demos. What would you expect here? 4. Learning the AI's behavior. Sometimes the auto zoom focuses on things I didn't want emphasized. You get better at predicting this over time, but there's a learning curve. 5. Price. While it's more affordable than Premiere Pro's subscription, it's not free like OBS. That said, they do offer a 30% educational discount, which is nice. Alright, this will be the end of the video. If you want to try Focusee yourself, I've got a download link in the description below. There's a free version you can test out so you can see if it fits your workflow before committing. And hey, if you're a student or educator, they offer a 30% educational discount, which is pretty solid. If this honest review was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tool reviews and tutorials. I'm constantly testing new tools and I always keep it real with you about what works and what doesn't. Drop a comment below. Are you currently using OBS, Premiere, CapCut, or have you tried Focusee already? I'd love to hear about your workflow and what challenges you're facing with video editing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.